Feeling bloated, tired, or off lately? Your gut might be trying to tell you something. Today, I'll walk you through what gut health really means and show you 3 easy recipes packed with prebiotics, fiber, and fermented foods to nourish your microbiome. The gut microbiome is a collection of trillions of bacteria in your digestive tract. A balanced gut can support digestion, mood, energy levels, and immunity. Imbalance called dysbiosis can lead to issues like bloating, low energy, or even food sensitivities. Prebiotics feed good gut bacteria found in garlic, onions, and bananas. Fiber supports digestion. Try oats, lentils, and chia seeds. Fermented foods add probiotics like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. A fiber-filled probiotic rich bowl with oats, chia, banana, and kefir to kickstart your gut health. Greens, roasted veggies, sauerkraut, and a tangy ACV dressing. Simple, fresh, and gut-friendly. A warm fermented miso broth with tofu, seaweed, and garlic to soothe and support digestion. Whether you're fighting fatigue, managing digestion, or simply want to feel your best, these recipes are a great place to start. Thanks for watching.